Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by connecting directly to the router. Use Ethernet for stability or join the 5G SSID if needed. Open a browser and enter the router IP. Common ones are 192, 168, 0, 1 and 192, 168, 1, 1. When the login prompt appears, enter admin credentials from the sticker or your saved notes. If you changed them before, use those. Once logged in, navigate to the wireless or Wi-Fi settings. This step gets you into the place. Once in the Wi-Fi settings, pick the 5G band or the SSID you want to change. Routers often show 4G and 5G separately. For security, select WPA2 or WPA3. This prevents easy hijacking. Enter a strong passphrase, 12 characters or more, mixing letters, numbers, and symbols, and avoid common words. After you type the new password, hit save or apply. The router will reconfigure the network, so make sure you have the new passphrase ready to reconnect your devices. After saving, reconnect your phone, laptop, and smart devices using the new 5G password. Some devices may forget settings, so reselect the network and enter the passphrase. If you cannot log back into the router web interface, try the admin recovery option, then only use a factory reset if necessary. This erases custom settings. Make sure to store both admin and Wi-Fi passwords in a secure password manager so you avoid future lockouts. And finally, test internet access to confirm everything works as expected.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.